Porcelain tile is one of the best flooring choices for both residential and commercial building. They offer a wide variety of colors and patterns. In this video, we will cover almost everything that you need to know in order to choose porcelain tile for your home, office, or shop. You may wonder why you should use porcelain tile over ceramic tile. While porcelain is more expensive, the truth is that porcelain tile is a kind of ceramic tile. Both tiles are very similar and feel alike, but they have some key differences that you should know before deciding to choose one over the other. The major difference between these tiles is the way they are built. We compare porcelain and ceramic tile from different aspects. By knowing these differences, you can easily distinguish between these tiles and choose the perfect tile for your home based on your needs. So here we go. Strength and durability. The most obvious feature that distinguishes a porcelain tile from a ceramic tile is its higher quality in terms of strength and durability. Since porcelain tile is denser and less porous than ceramic tile, it is stronger and more durable. Cost. As we know, quality comes with a price. Porcelain tile is more expensive than typical ceramic tile. Installation. The process of ceramic and porcelain tile installation is almost the same. They both are heavy and hard to work with, making installation difficult and time-consuming. Design and appearance. Ceramic and porcelain tiles are similar in appearance and may be indistinguishable. Ceramic tile tends to come in solid colors, but may also have the appearance of wood grains or natural stone. One feature that makes porcelain tiles so special is that they are available in numerous design options. Use area. Since porcelain tile is denser, stronger, and more impervious to water, you can use it not only indoors but also outdoors. On the contrary, ceramic tile should only be used for indoor areas. Various patterns and styles of porcelain tile. One of the greatest features of porcelain tile is its variety of sizes and looks. Different types of porcelain tiles are produced to fit customers' different uses and preferences. There are different sizes, grade, and body types. If we want to categorize porcelain tile according to the most common looks on the market, there are glazed and unglazed porcelain tile, textured and digitally printed porcelain tiles. Tips for successful installation. A successful porcelain tile installation requires experience, attention to detail, and a thorough guide that walks you step by step through the process. The first thing you need to think about is using the proper tools and techniques to ensure the tile is installed correctly. Necessary tools. Using the proper tools makes the porcelain tile installation easier and helps lay the tile correctly. Proper techniques. There are two techniques for starting the porcelain tile installation. The first tile is called the key tile, and it has a key role in the overall look of the area after the job is done. You can either install the key tile in the center and work your way outwards, or install the key tile in the corner and continue installing toward the other corners of the room. The way you lay the tile has a significant effect on the quality of installation and the tile's lifespan. There are also different techniques for the direction in which you run your tile on the floor. You can run the tile parallel to the walls or diagonally. The room layout, the size and shape of the tile, and the style that best fits your home are the most important factors that affect this decision, no matter the style or quality of the tile. If the installation is not done perfectly, you will not get the look you are going for. For this reason, we highly recommend leaving the installation job to professionals. If you live in Philadelphia and are looking for porcelain tile installation service or any other home renovation project, Matrix Company Solutions Corp. is your best choice. Call us for more information.